Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can display two styles of natal chart on Jagannath Hora astrology software, which is completely free. You can go ahead and download it. I will leave the link in the description below. Okay, so let's go ahead and customize it. So you can pick from North Indian, South Indian and then East Indian styles of natal chart from preferences. Go ahead and click on preferences and then go to related to display and then go to use of two chart styles and then check this box. Okay, use two chart styles and then you've got two drop down menus here. So first one, you can select South Indian, North Indian or East Indian. Okay, you've got three options, basically five options. So regular, irregular, sun and with flame. So this will change. That's the first option I have. And then I can go ahead and select the South Indian regular one. And you can see this has been replaced with these two styles. Okay, now let's go ahead and change it to the South and North Indian. So South Indian regular, let's have a look at the irregular one and then go ahead and select the diamond, which is North Indian chart style, and you can see this has been changed. Okay, so this is a regular one, which is basically, which starts from, I guess, this is natal, Rashi. There is very slight difference in regular and irregular ones. So people go with the regular one and you will see the change. The previous one started with the ascendant and this one start from here. Alright, so this is how you can display two styles of natal charts from Vedic systems. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye for now.